Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share to you the one thing I love about this GoPro 10, which is the HyperSmooth 4.0. So let's begin! HyperSmooth is the next stabilization mode that helps your videos look better. So if you are running, or if you are vlogging while walking, or if you're on a ride, this HyperSmooth helps your videos look smooth. So to illustrate this, what it looks like. Alright, right now here I have my GoPro 10. So to start, open your GoPro. Then this is the HyperSmooth stabilization settings here. Just need to turn this on. Then it's already on. If you can see the blue icon here at the right side, so that's the indicator that it's already on. So that's how to set up your HyperSmooth 4.0. So that's it. I hope this helps. Stay active and God bless.